Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to watch age-restricted videos on YouTube. So first of all, go ahead and open up the YouTube app, okay? And let's say, for example, you wanted to see something like something that's not allowed usually for kids or underage. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just first of all go ahead and click on your profile icon on the below right corner and just click the settings at the top right. You're gonna find it, and basically what you're gonna see, multiple options. Just go ahead into the general. In the general, what you're gonna see multiple tools, and you're gonna see restricted mode, and this helps hide potentially mature videos. No filter is 100% accurate, and this settings only applies to this app on this device. So if you want to toggle it on, or if you already toggle it on, that means that certain amount of videos that you're gonna see on YouTube not necessarily appropriate for your taste, or probably it's for mature people. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna just undo this one, and basically that's it. Now you're gonna be able to see the the mature videos within the YouTube app, and it's not like 100% accurate, but it's definitely gonna help. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.